Are you ready to take your New Year's resolution to the next level? Tru Fit Bootcamp is offering 2 weeks free of our high-intensity interval training program. All you have to do is show up to our open house here at Tru Fit Bootcamp February 29th from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Come meet me and the other coaches, learn more about our workouts, our nutrition program, and get your free in-body scan and much more. Tru Fit Bootcamp is designed to get you stronger, faster, and leaner. No matter your fitness level, my program will get you in the best shape of your life. Click the link below to find out more and to register for the open house and receive your 14 days of unlimited bootcamp. No tricks, no gimmicks, just results. Sometimes the best things in life are free. We'll see you at our open house. Take care.